Welcome to Teach Meet Merthyr, first Teach Meet. Thank you very much for attending. See how it goes, see what you think about it. I'm sorry it's set up in rows. Krista and Melinda were complaining that it was set up in rows. So, how can we fit 28 people in a circle around here? Yeah, come on! Seriously, it's not going to happen.
You've never been sat in the front before, and that's
Right, so basically, I'll hand over to Vicky in a minute. In NGFL. NGFL Cymru very kindly, of course, hosting all our live streaming, and Melanie and Martin. Well done. Facilitating all of this for us and making my life easier, quite frankly. So thanks very much for that, guys. Loads of cake and coffee at the back. If you're bored and want a cake and a coffee, get up and get one. And that way, people standing in front, you'll know. There's still tons of go through there if you want to, because I can bore you. That's okay. All right. Presenters, when you're finished, over at the side there with Melanie. Here's some nice certificates, and that entitles you to some free software. Over to you, Ian.
Thanks, Andrew.
It's all right.
I bet you all wish you'd volunteer to do something now. New free software, presents to take away. Thank you, Andrew. Thank you for the welcome on behalf of NGFL Cymru. This is probably our 10th or 11th Teach Meet that we've organised in various locations around Wales. And really, it is about the informality of it. It is about being relaxed. I know the chairs perhaps are not conducive to that kind of environment. But in principle, it is just about giving you the opportunity to come up and tell other people what you're doing. There's no structure to it, no real formula to it. In terms of the presentations, we kind of give perhaps two options. There's a presentation which is 7 minutes, and normally we would curtail people to 7 minutes, but given we've only got about 6 or 7 presentations a day, we might let that run on for a little bit to even 8 minutes. And then the option of a nano presentation, which is 2 minutes. And we'll give you 2.5 minutes for those today. That's extra special for you. What we tend to do is just facilitate it, but also, as Andrew said, we are filming this, so it is going out live on the internet. But also, all the video clips will be available by the NGFL Cymru website afterwards in terms of good practice. So that, again, if you go back to your schools and you want to share what's going on with your colleagues, then you're able to do that by the videos on NGFL Cymru. And really over time what we see is a bank of resources being built up around good practice, around the effective use of technology in the classroom really. And as I say, it's about you, it's not about us, it's about what you are doing and what you feel works effectively in the classroom. So without further ado from me, and we'll crack on, and our first presenter is Vicky Jefferson. Thank you, Vicky.
Yay, Vicky!